Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be celebrating Galentine's Day.
What's Galentine's Day? Oh, it's only the best day of the year.
Now, if you haven't seen Parks and Rec, which is absurd because everyone should watch it, it's amazing, we really want to embrace the beauty that is Galentine's Day. The 13th of February, day before Valentine's Day, a day for Leslie Knope and all women everywhere to celebrate their love for their fellow women and friends and just eat waffles. So we're going to be making Leslie Knope waffles. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. Voila. So we've got 2 cups of milk. I'm using full cream. 2 large eggs separated at room temperature. So I've got my egg whites and my egg yolks. 1/4 cup of caster sugar. 2 cups of plain flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil or any flavorless oil. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. And then for topping, one thing which I just love is just how Leslie just has a little frick ton of whipped cream on top and a strawberry.
Every February 13th, my lady friends and I leave our husbands and our boyfriends at home and we just come and kick it breakfast style. Ladies celebrating ladies.
So we're going to take 1 cup of cold whipping cream. Keep this in the fridge until you're ready to whip it, because this helps make it nice and fluffy and stable. And then to that we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. This depends on how sweet you like it. I'm only adding about 1 tablespoon, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And these are just some extra toppings if you wish. So ladies, leave your boyfriends and husbands at home and let's kick it breakfast style at JJ's Diner or your kitchen. So what we're going to do first is make our waffle batter, and we're going to take our room temperature egg whites, put them in a clean metal bowl or a glass bowl, and we're going to whip them until they've got nice stiff peaks. This just helps make our waffle extra fluffy and a little bit crispy. So we're going to make our pancakes, waffles. Okay, clap. So we're going to first make our waffle batter mixture thing. And to do this, I want to take our room temperature egg whites and we're going to whisk them to a nice stiff peak. Now to make sure this happens, you need to have a nice clean bowl and whisk attachments. And we're doing this first just to make sure there's no contaminants from the other mixture, and it also saves cleaning. It's also important to use room temperature egg whites for this because it helps foam the eggs up better. You can use cold eggs, but you notice they won't fluff up as much. Now, if you have gotten them to stiff peaks, you should be able to turn it over your head and it not fall out. I know it is stiff peaks, but every time I do it, I freak out. I'm like, it's gotta happen. It never does because I'm amazing. Let's vary up myself. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. Of course, you can sift all your dry ingredients together, but I'm lazy and don't want to have to clean extra equipment. So I just add all my dry ingredients first and whisk them together, getting rid of any lumps. I've made a little well in the center and we're just gonna be whisking in the middle here. So first I'm gonna add my egg yolks and then slowly add small amounts of milk while whisking together until it forms a nice mixture.
When you just go way too ham in it. Way too ham. Look at those muscles. Look at those guns. Just went too far.
I'm going to swap to my electric mixer and put it on a medium speed while I drizzle in my oil and my vanilla bean paste. All right, now that everything's added, I'm going to scrape down the sides and stir it a little bit. Then I'm going to gently fold in my egg whites. Now, you can add this with your electric beater, but it's probably going to beat all the air out that we want because we want nice fluffy waffles. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of my egg whites at a time and fold them in slowly. So So we've got our waffle mixture done. I've just let this sit for about 5 minutes just to let it rest a little bit. You can see it's all nice and bubbly. I'm so excited. And then I've also preheated my little waffle iron. Now ideally I'd love to have one of those big round one that you see in JJ's Diner, or they also have like a square rectangular one at some point. But I found this one and I thought it's so cute. It's like a flower and it's got individual little hearts, and I thought that'd just be beautiful for Galentine's Day, and I wanted to spend some money. You're going to cook them according to your machine's instructions. Mine takes about half a cup of batter, and it's got a really cool function. I didn't know if setting or functions. If you want it less cooked or more cooked, so it's like you can have a good crispy waffle or you can have a light fluffy waffle. So I think we're going to do a few of them because I think Leslie Knope would have a nice fluffy waffle.
Hey.
Let's see if the first one's good. The first one's always a bit screwed up. Oh, it's on the top. Oh, ew, ew. It's not actually that hard. Oh, that's a bit cute. And then to let them cool, because we want them to be nice and crispy on the outside, we're just gonna put them on a wire cooling rack. This allows air to circulate underneath and it doesn't go soggy. No one likes a soggy waffle. Now in a clean metal bowl, we're going to whisk the cold whipping cream and add our caster sugar and vanilla bean paste until it's nice and whipped and delicious and creamy. So we're taking about 4 waffles. In total we got just about 12 of them. We're going to stack them high on a plate. And then for the Leslie Knope, we're going to put some fresh whipped cream on top and a beautiful strawberry. And then for the Flavia, treat yourself waffle.
Treat yourself. Treat yourself.
We're going to add some vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, strawberries, and melted chocolate. This is the treat yourself.
At least she's getting a serving of fruit.
No! Nobody saw that.
No one saw that.
It's fine. Okay guys, that's how you make my Galentine's waffles. I really hope you try them with your girlfriends this Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day. They're so delicious and so beautiful and amazing, and let's just eat, because let's just eat. So I've got the Leslie Knope. Flavia's got the treat yourself.
Treat yourself. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. I'm gonna treat myself.
Treat yourself.
I'm gonna go ahead and treat myself. It's the best day of the year.
I cannot tell you how excited I am to eat that.
Alrighty.
Oh my Lord.
But yeah, just look, like, I just thought these were really cute little heart waffles. And if you don't have heart waffles, something you can do is just get a normal waffle iron, get a cookie cutter that's got a heart, and just make little heart ones as well. It'll be so cute and adorable. It's F. But yes, alrighty, let's do it.
Let's dig in.
Yeesh.
Oh my gosh. Did you just say yeesh?
I said yeesh,
Okay.
as in like yes. Did you just say yeesh?
I thought you said yeesh, and I was
Flavia.
like, now is not the time.
I think in true Leslie Knope fashion, just like need all the whipping cream. I'm excited. Now that's a Leslie Knope waffle, let me tell you. All right. See, they're still slightly crispy, but they're soft and airy-fairy, and oh, it's just so good.
There's something missing.
What? You've got like everything on your waffle. Flavia, you've got everything on your waffle, be happy. Oh, true. Oh, Flavia. Treat yourself. How much? Well, I mean,
We haven't yet.
bye. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, I can't go anywhere. I'll just eat my waffles in shame.
Hey
guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.